Hello everyone. Welcome once again today. Today is another day, and today we are going to look at how to arrange our files into our folders. Okay, for future reference, for very easy, you know, searching when we want to work on it again. All right. Okay, so the previous we were able to look at the specification, computer specifications, and then we came to know about characteristics of computer, and we all agree that if you really want to want to get the note, you need to pay only 10 Ghana cedis. Just pay only 10 Ghana cedis, and that's it. Okay, and have the full entire notes, for reference, or if you are in school, learn it, because it's very very advanced notes that we are using. Okay, so let me quickly brief you through. Just let me remember you, as I always do, that do not forget to donate. Okay, so your donation count and your donation helps a lot. Okay, so I always encourage you to donate whatever in your heart, maybe a day, maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks, maybe a month, any amount that you want to donate. From 5 CDs to 20 million Ghana cedis. We will be very happy if you're able to donate $3 billion. Oh, if you're outside Ghana, just follow our platform, procedure, and then do it. Okay, you can pay with your credit card. You can do any. You can pay with any form of electronic payment. Okay, so today we are looking at how to arrange files into our folder. So like you know the the other time, um we said that look at the kind of work that you are doing at your office. Okay, and then arrange and name the folders based on what you're doing. Okay, so if you are doing for payments, just do it maybe whatever you understand, so that it will be easily for you to go inside the folder and then do what you want to do, or any files that you want to search for. Okay, so oh god, thank you, sorry. So for my own, I'm working on Excel file, I'm working on PDF, I'm working on, okay, on my desktop you can see a Word file, you can see shortcuts too. Okay, so I think you can see pictures and videos. Okay, so let me add that one too, so that it will remember us, how to create folders and name and rename them. Okay, so supposing I just click outside, and then is this way, you remember what we said. So 1 2. Okay, all right, so um we say pictures. Okay, pictures. Okay, and then I do again. I do again, sorry, I do again, and I say I'll name it videos. Okay, so let's say videos, and then oh, okay, so now let's get back to the work. Okay, so we can click on it, not leaving our hand, and drag them and arrange them whatever we want it to look like or to be. Okay, so for instance, my own, I want the files to, okay, I want to arrange it, Word file, Excel file before the PDF. Okay, so I just click on it without, leaving my hand. I left click without leaving my hand and drag them. I drag it here. Okay, it says that I want to put this Excel file, and I'll put my shortcuts here, and I'm going to pull this access file, and I said Word file. Okay, and then from there I go to the notes, then I go shortcuts, and I go pictures, and before video. Okay, your own, you can do it in how you arrange it to understand it. It's up to you. Okay, it's up to you. So now let's do the work now. Okay, I think I have PowerPoint too. Oh, sorry. I have PowerPoint too. Okay, I have PowerPoint. So let me do PowerPoint. Okay, I do PowerPoint. Okay, so PowerPoint. Okay, all right. So let's do the arrangement. Okay, I don't want it to come closer to this. Just let me. Okay, so you let me pass this on. You can put the files inside the folders and do the arrangement. Okay, or you can arrange it and put the files inside. So anything, like anyhow you want it. Okay, and just say be a media no ma arrange away and na me ba be input files ni inside nenti no chinchin asa ne tie da bi nia wankasa nkasa wo pese wo ye na ho to no betimi dia hyem ansa no arrange no ana say wo betimi arrange no before say wo de be hyem. So you do this, and then let's see, I have Excel files, I have Word files. So this is what I'm going to do. Supposing I have, okay, you let me, we are going to drag them. Okay, so I drag this Word file to a Word folder. Where is the Word folder? Word file. Okay, so Word files inside. See, it's not there again. Dragging it is you click on left without leaving the hand, and then you drag it pa nashim boom nashim now you referee. Okay, that's how I'm packing it. But supposing you have a lot of Word files like I have it here, so how do we do it once and for all? Okay, all right, I thank God that this Word file here, and I have what do you call it, PowerPoint here. Okay, it's very good. I'll teach you. I want to make this so that we all learn from here. Okay, but supposing you have all the Word file like this, see, we have 1 2 3. Okay, that one is very easy. So we just click outside here without leaving our hand, then you drag it. Okay, you drag it, it highlights, then you send it down, okay, to where the end of the files that you want to put at one place ends. Okay, then you leave it. Okay, my mouse, before I leave it, I have to click on it, But yours, maybe you do it now, you leave it, afa. Okay, so obiani senya the system in the mouse here, but it's the same thing. Okay, so you just drag all of them, all the three, even if 50 or 20 at the same place, you just drag them and pass share inside. So it's an arrangement in the okay, let me check the time. Okay, more time. All right, so that is it. Inti fani say there opese or the share one folder mono. There are plenty from here to this place. Just drag outside and highlight them one, then pick them all and put it inside. But supposing you have it this way, look at word. We have word. You can just do for the only two. And then what about this ones? Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to have this and highlight them. So what we have to do is just click on one. Okay, so I've clicked on one. Don't double click, or if you double click, you open it. So don't double click it. Okay, so I just click on it, then you place your thumb, or you press Control. Okay, Control before you press the other one that looks the same. So this, then still the Control, I press it and I click on the other one. So I still hold the Control key, press to select all the files that I want to move at one place before I remove my hand. Okay, so is it done? Yes, it's done. So after that, you remove your hand. So you've highlighted what you want to select. Then you drag it straight, pa, boom. They will all go inside, pa. Then, okay. So pause the video. I'm giving you 2 minutes. And do your and do and do one, and let's see. 2 minutes. Okay, don't pause the video. The 2 minutes, I've given you 2 minutes, so we have 12 minutes 52 seconds. So we will come back 14, okay, or 13. Okay, good. So you are able to do it, right? So you see, it's not difficult. Okay, so let's do it. I think I have the word, the same thing. Okay, so welcome back. It's very, it's very easy. Okay, so now let me do my PDF. Maybe you to do whatever you are arranging. So I'm sending it to my PDF files. Okay. I have PDF here, I have PDF here, I have PDF here, I have PDF here. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can just highlight them straight at the point. Okay, I don't want to go drag them and go. Okay, let me drag. Okay, just add them. Okay, now let me see this. I have that. Okay, so I click on only one. Click on Control key. Click the others. Okay, without removing my hand. So all the PDF. Where is the PDF? PDF. Just click on it, and I remove my thumb, my hand, and then drive them to the PDF. Okay, they all go. Okay, I hope you're watching and you are practicing. Practice them. Okay, All right, so let's see what we have. I have PowerPoint. Don't double click, just click on once. Control key, you press it, you click the rest. Clicking the rest by pressing control, the control key, and then I'll send all. Oh, I have one here. If you forgot, don't. If you forget one, don't worry. If you want to click on it, just press the control and click on it. All right. So, oh, I have another one here. So I press control and then click on it. Click on it. Click on it. All right. So I drag them straight to where is the PowerPoint? This is the PowerPoint. Okay. So, it's saved. Okay. All right. So let me look at this one is the the notes. So I have it. Where is my notes? My notes power files. Place it. I have my videos. So videos is been separating. So the videos are they have been separated from each other. So I just click on control. What do you call it? Control key. Oh, sorry, this is PowerPoint. So yes. So if you mistakenly click on watch, you don't want it, just the same, just click on it. It will de-highlight. It will stop. It will de-highlight it, and then it means that you just deselect it. Okay, but if you want to do it again, just click on it by pressing the key, control key. Remember. Okay, so let me drag it to videos. Oh, okay. I have videos. Um, I have the Excel file. I think I have only one Excel file. And I think I have this two is PDF. So a folder can contain a folder. Okay, that's what I want us to go. We will come to that. Okay, so okay, then you let me stop this one because we will come to that. I have more PowerPoint. Okay, I have more PowerPoint. Okay, all right. So I have access here, access here. In this lesson, we won't look at access. The reason is that access is more into programming aspect. Okay, and I don't want us to worry ourselves. Okay, because we need to learn the basics and that's all. And a lot of works are being done in the office by in our workplace, okay, by Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Okay, so access, people that don't normally use it at office, so that's why we didn't consider to look at that one. Okay, so what is this file? Sorry. Okay, so the shortcuts, all my shortcuts here. Where should I start? Okay, let me start from here. All my shortcuts, all my shortcuts will go to shortcuts. All my shortcuts will go to shortcuts. All my shortcuts will go to shortcuts. Okay, so that's what we're doing. At the end of the day, I want us to see the final solution, the final, the final work, and see how our desktop will be. Okay, I have this as Word. Okay, what do I have? What is this file? Auto saved. Maybe it's PowerPoint. Let me put it PowerPoint. I have plenty here, just highlight it if they are in line. Okay, they highlight this one, they highlight this one because these are pictures. Okay, so shortcuts, okay, I have pictures here. Pictures. Okay, I have pictures here. I have shortcuts here. Okay, so you can testify that we are doing on course. All right. So I hope you are following. Okay. So is it what we're doing? So now what can you see? What did you see now? Look at your desktop and tell me. What is how do you see your desktop now? Yes. You see now your desktop looks very professional way. You know. I'm sorry, I'm not saying copy your shortcuts into a folder. No, I'm just setting an example. Okay, because sometimes you can hide the shortcuts. If somebody opens your laptop, you can't find anything if it's not that kind of, wagon in IT. You will see is it what kind of what kind of desktop is this? I can't see anything or no Apple. Meanwhile, you've been hiding your apps, okay, in a folder. But if you are not all that best, just leave the shortcuts and then save those that needs to be saved so that your desktop will look very professional way. Now let's see what we've done. Okay, so I'll refresh it and then let me refresh it again. I have this as picture. Okay, so capture. What is a capture? Okay, it's an empty file, empty folder. So I will delete. Okay, physical stream. Okay, so if you see that some of the files are empty folders, what if some folders are empty, just delete them. Flashback movies, I don't have nothing like that. I don't have anything like this. Okay, all right, so I have this one picture. I hope you are following. It's very easy, right? Very, very easy. Okay, I have my listing here. Okay, so now let's do another arrangement so that we can see that our desktop is looking very, very beautiful, very nice, sounds recording. I remember. Let me delete this one. Okay, so this is shortcuts, so we put it on shortcuts, sorry, we put it in shortcuts. So I have my shortcuts here, I have my files here, Excel files. All right, so the same thing, just highlight everything and then you come and put it here. All right, without wasting much time. Okay, so that is it. So how do you look? How do you see your desktop now? Just one word. Okay, so it looks great, right? Okay, so here we go. So now you see, you can view my desktop is looking very, very, very professional way. Okay, so now whatever I create, any files that I create, whether PDF, when it comes to my desktop, I'll just send it here. If it is Excel, I'll just send it to the Excel file. So every day, this is how my desktop is going to look like. Okay, And remember, you can put a folder, you can create a folder in a folder. All right, so let's say this is math books. Okay, it's in PDF, so I can just place it in this PDF. So anytime that I come into the PDF files, when I click on it, I can see math books. Okay, all right, I see math books here. I have elective distance, so I can also create another folder and name it whatever I want to name it, so that I will understand it. Okay, says that artist maths class. Your own could be different thing. Okay, the same as we did it on the desktop. You just highlight everything, then you place it there, pa, and all inside. So you can see that in my PDF folder I have only two folders inside. Okay, so when I click, I get the files inside. Okay, I get all these files, and when I click here too, I have all the files. You see how amazing it is? So simple, right? So if PowerPoint too, if I want to arrange the PowerPoint by names, by folders, if there are plenty, I have the master name here, which is PowerPoint. Then I go there and say PowerPoint, which PowerPoint, introduction to computers. So everything under introduction to computers, I'll place it in that folder, so that when I come inside my files, I look through and I say, okay, I want autism maths class. Okay, it's here. Okay, so within the autism maths class too, we can create another folder inside, so that our work will be very cheap. And don't forget that you do a backup. So whatever you are doing, you just put it in on an external drive. Okay, external drive, or secondary storage device. All right, so that's it. So if you want your shortcuts for the gurus, you just come here, click on it, whatever you want to open, any app that you want to open, you just click on it and then you open it, so that if somebody comes there, you will find you can't operate your your desktop. Okay, Control A. Let me delete this. Okay, because I don't want it. Okay, so that is it for today. I'll always remember you. Do not forget to donate, because the donation is helping. Will help us to bring a lot. Okay, like I said, it will help us to introduce a lot of courses for you that will help you. Okay, we are doing this just for free, so that as an IT, from school, you know what to do. You can get your A, and then later on you find difficult on your work field. Okay, that's why we are doing it. Okay, so for you to understand English and a tree, so the way I obetiase a tree no say mun na okra na emuda also obetiase. Okay, so we are not perfect in someone's language as usual, but we do to help each other. After all, what do we want in life? If you know something, you need to teach your brother. Okay, so brothers and sisters and mothers and fathers, please do not forget to download. Do not forget, please do not forget to donate. And like I said, just pay 10 Ghana cedis and download books, e-books, very interesting books, for free. Just pay 10 Ghana cedis just to show appreciation, and that's all. So I have my videos fast too. Before we go, let's enjoy you know, let's enjoy one of the videos. Is it this one on how to? I think it's okay. It's okay. So next time that we come, we are going to look at how to clean your PC. Okay, how to clean your PC, and then I think and then how to, I think browsing the Obia in browsing. Okay, let me delete what I did because I already have them. I don't have this, but I do have all of these. Okay, so let me delete them, or let me keep let me delete them. Okay. uh, okay, so we've ended the class. Okay, good day and have a nice day. Bye bye.